Most companies fail due to invisible insolvency when entropy exceeds the system's processing capacity. I present Iso-Entropy, an application that leverages the Gemini 3 Pro API to audit structural fragility through information thermodynamics. For this demo, we configure an environment of high volatility and bureaucratic rigidity, establishing the initial mathematical constraints. We will use the real-world case of Grupo Bimbo. I am copying this block containing their public operational data, pressure from wheat and energy costs, and their complex logistics network. By pasting it and starting the audit, we activate the grounding. Gemini does not interpret this as a chat. Instead, it translates qualitative context into strict thermodynamic variables to prevent hallucinations. Here we see the reasoning in real time. The agent enters a recursive loop. It translates the text into entropy and capacity variables. It writes and executes Python code to run a Monte Carlo simulation. Upon detecting that Bimbo's current structure collapses under stress, the agent autonomously recalibrates capacity parameters and resimulates until mathematical stability is ensured. Moving down to the final audit, the system delivers a precise forensic diagnosis. It calculates Bimbo's current entropy debt and defines the exact increase in operational flexibility required to absorb market volatility without breaking the supply chain. Finally, these two graphs validate the process. On the left, the collapse under initial conditions. On the right, the stability achieved after the agent's intervention. This demonstrates how Gemini 3 functions as an engineering engine capable of autonomously solving complex physical problems.